Good afternoon, friends. This is Eugene Clapp from EMC Insurance Solutions. And I want to talk to all my people out there who are in the industry, the insurance agents, my real estate agents and brokers, my tax professionals, my financial advisors. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you about this Worth Unlimited program. It's a debt elimination program and how it can be a benefit to you if you add it as another arrow to your quiver in services that you can offer to your clients. You know, when I first saw it, I didn't think that there was anything to it. And I thought it was just like another bi-weekly program. And I've seen many of those rolling around. And I must admit, I didn't want anything to do with it. But as I started looking more into it, as I started to do my due diligence, I found out that this was a horse of a whole different color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break it down for you by each one of your professions and what it could mean to you. First, I want to start with the insurance agents and the insurance brokers out there. You know, it's no secret that summertime is slow for a lot of us. We do go out there, we do our best to get business. We do our best to go ahead and do the best we can for our clients with the products that we offer. And the more that we can serve them, the more things we can offer them that help to make their lives easier and their financial situation better, the more we look at as professionals in our industry. This Worth Unlimited Debt Elimination Program is another product that is viable for you to be able to offer to your clients. I mean, I want you to think about this. They trust you to provide them with the best game plan as it pertains to insurance coverage for themselves and their families. So think, what if you could go in there and show them, hey, we have this in place, but now let's go ahead and let's work on getting your debts under control and paid off. Think about how that would separate you from 90% of the other insurance agents out here. And one thing about our profession that I have found out, insurance agents, is that we all think we have the best mousetrap. And basically, we all offer the same things. It's just the way we package it. Some of us offer what we offer for the betterment of the clients. And unfortunately, some people out there are offering things to line their pockets with the most cash that they can. But I know that's not you I'm talking to, so I'm not even worried about that because I don't deal with insurance agents like that in my camp. However, if we can offer this product to our clients, we've set the bar really high, and we've done some things that no other insurance agent probably is going to do when they enter their home. When I talk to you real estate professionals, I want you to think about this. We live in South Florida. That's where I'm located at. And South Florida is a very expensive place to live in, and a lot of people who come here who do buy real estate, they're going to be in debt. What if you, as that real estate agent, could show them the proper home to get into that's going to fit their family's needs for a growing family over the years, and then you could advise them on a way to pay that home off faster and possibly buy another home from you because you're that trusted real estate agent who has showed them not how to just buy a home for themselves, but to go ahead and maybe plant a seed for them to become investors. What would that do to your bottom line? What would that do if your clients could recommend you and say, you know what, this real estate agent is very good and they're different from every other real estate agent because they're not just trying to sell me a piece of property, but they actually have a system in place where they can help my family and I pay this house off faster and get out of debt. Let's talk about you mortgage brokers. Hey, the same thing applies with you. What if you could find the proper mortgage for your clients and then build in the Worth Unlimited Debt Elimination Program and help them pay their mortgage off faster? So now you're showing them how to get the mortgage by going out there and getting them the best deal and the best mortgage rates. And now you're showing them how to pay it off faster. How many other mortgage brokers do you think are doing that? Not any. You would separate yourself so far from every other mortgage broker out there until it would be sinful. They'd be down here and you'd be up here. That's something for you to think about. You tax professionals, you have a you have a crystal ball almost when you're looking to somebody's financial situations, because they come to you to see how they can save money and not pay the most income tax. What if you as a tax professional could not only help them out with their taxes, because say, hey, this is a plan you may want to look at putting into place because this can help you with your debts. How would that make you look in your field? You financial professionals who are out there trying to sell annuities, trying to sell stocks, trying to sell bonds. What if you could show your clients how to get out of debt by using this program? You separate yourself too, wouldn't you? And it's not just the financial professionals, it's not just the tax professionals, the real estate professionals, you credit repair professionals. I mean, that's the big thing going around. Everybody wants to go ahead and repair credit. Okay, what if you could actually show a client how to repair their credit and then show them how to eliminate their debt so they don't get into that trouble again and need to have you as a credit repair specialist? So now they're looking at you as a trusted person that can help them with their credit, and then you take it one step further and help them get out of debt and build wealth at the same time? How many of you credit repair agents are doing that? Not many of you. What you're doing, you're soliciting for the credit repair, but you don't really have anything to back it up. You don't really have anything to separate you. This plan would do it. And for the rest of you out there who may not be a professional in these industries that I said, what if you're hungry for a business opportunity? What about the people that you know? What about the people in your church congregation? The people at your job? The people in your neighborhood? The people in your family? 9 out of the 10 people that you come in contact with are going to be overwhelmed with debt. They may not show it, but they're doing something called living on the float, which means they're robbing Peter to pay Paul. What if you could show them a way as a trusted friend, as a trusted church member, as a trusted co-worker? What if you could show them a way to take control of their debts, lower their debts down, eliminate their debts, and build their personal wealth at the same time? What would happen to your debt? It may go down, right? Because of this service that you're offering. People, let me explain something to you. This may not be for everybody, and I just had a conversation with one of my team members last night on the telephone that no, this is not for everybody, because it takes a person who's not afraid to talk to people. It takes a person who's willing to think outside the box. It takes a person who really wants to help people as opposed to just make a lot of money. Because see, if you're in this to make a lot of money, you're not doing the right things. You're going to cut corners. You want to help people first, and when you help people, the money will come. Also, you have a golden opportunity to become an independent agent with Worth Unlimited for only $49. And that opportunity ends on July the 16th. Where else can you get this kind of opportunity for $49? After July 16th, it's going to go back up to the original price of $149. But even at $149, where could you get involved in a business like this as an independent agent? I mean, you may not understand everything about it, but heck, the company even says, okay, if you don't want to do it, if you want to learn, recommend them to us. And our professionals will help you while you're getting your feet wet, while you're learning. We'll talk to them. We'll close them. And when they close, we'll send you a thank you check. For $49? Your first commission is going to be much more than that. I mean, what you got to lose? People, I tell you, this is going to be the big deal for the rest of 2019 And going into 2020, you're going to see people coming into this business as independent agents in droves. You don't want to be a part of that. You want to be ahead of that tsunami that's coming. And you could be ahead of that tsunami for $49 until July the 16th. Let me tell you something. You owe it to yourself to give this thing a look. On top of this video is going to be a website link. And the website link is going to be http www.worthunlimited.com, and it's going to have some numbers behind it. I'm not going to go through all that. All I'm going to do is put the link up here for you to go to, for you to look at. And my phone number is on the link. So if you need to talk to me about this, and you people who are professionals in those industries that I called out, you really need to talk to me ASAP, because this is going to be another way that you can help plenty of people and make some good income doing something that makes you feel good. Okay? So go to my link right now. Check this out and let me know what you think. And as I always say before I close, yours in life, yours in business, yours in success. And I'll see you at the top.